That does smell good.
Good, doesn't it? You ready?
Bolognese, the weeknight meal, and you have a secret ingredient, Matt.
Yeah, very simple, something you often throw away, and this is parmesan crust. This is the heel of the parmesan. We're going to throw that into our bolognese. It's going to give us a lovely little extra bit of flavour. Should we start?
We should.
Olive oil and butter as our frying base, as well as the secret ingredient. The secret to this bolognese is slow cooking everything so it gets lots and lots of colour. Into our pan here, we're going to throw olive oil, butter. Now we're going to add 250 grams of chopped or diced bacon, 325 grams of brown onion, 160 carrot, and 160 celery. And we let that cook until it gets nice and translucent. We're going to add our garlic. Once I've just toasted that off, in goes your tomato paste. In we go with a tablespoon of brown sugar. What we're going to do now is we're going to remove and reserve our sofrito. Again, a bit of olive oil. In with your beef mince. When I turn this beef mince over, I want it to look brown and toasty in places. Shell, do you want to put the mince into the sofrito?
For sure.
2 cups red wine. We've brought the wine to the boil. We've simmered it for 5 minutes. So back into the pan goes our mince, our sofrito, 2 cans of tomatoes. I hate waste, so into the cans. 2 cups of stock, 500 mils. Bring your bolognese to a boil. When it's brought to a boil, drop the heat down to low and add your secret ingredients. Number 1, parmesan rind. Now I've been saving parmesan rinds, so when I make a bolognese, I put 1, 2, 3. And you can put 1 in, but 3 is great. Next thing we're gonna put in there is some Worcestershire sauce. Then Baileys, fresh Baileys. Gonna add a little bit of fresh lemon peel and the juice of half a lemon. Some salt, and give everything a stir. This is going to cook at the merest bubble for 4 hours. Right, the bolognese had 4 hours, it's ready to go. We'll season that with a little bit of salt. Taste it first, taste the season. Needs a tiny bit of salt, a little bit of lemon juice for freshness. Give that a stir. And we're ready.
Wow, Matt, the kitchen smells amazing. And we've got this beautifully cooked pasta. And then if you could top it with your bolognese.
Now you could garnish with some parsley, you could garnish with some herbs. For me, there's only one thing bolognese needs. Yeah.
Parmesan.
Grana or parmesan. That's it.
It's time to try it. That is so good.
It's rich, it's creamy, it's meaty. It's got an edge of acidity from the lemon juice. So that's my bolognese with a secret ingredient, those parmesan rinds you might otherwise throw away. Do not throw away your parmesan rinds. Save them for any time you make a bolognese.
And for more recipes like this, go to taste.com.au.